This is the story about a girl named Renee. Renee grew up a cheerful child, sporting two pigtails, and was well known in the neighborhood for her love of playing jump rope. During her time in high school, Renee had no problem with completing assignments as she graduated with flying colors. When she enrolled in college, she knew she would have to work to pay for her books and tuition, but didn't know the difficulty of juggling school and work. Luckily, Renee found a service to help her with her college assignments so she can have some time to enjoy her young adult life. If you need help with your college assignment, email Mr. Assignments at najam.com or call or text him at 561 295 3300. Remember, although college work sucks right now, it pays off in the end. Please like and share our video.